Hey y'all, hey, Dr. Naeema here. I am a triple board certified clinical neuro and school psychologist here to just shed some insight on ADHD and how it not only impacts children, but how it definitely impacts adults, y'all. I am an adult living with ADHD, and sometimes the struggle is really real. Okay. You know what I mean? ADHD doesn't just affect children, it can show up in adults, especially in relationships. So, have you ever felt like you're struggling to stay present in conversations, keep promises, or control impulses or impulsive reactions? You are not alone, baby. It is work. It is definitely work. Sometimes in relationships, you can present as if you're being distracted, looking at your phone while they're talking to you, and you might mistakenly say something that has something to do with your phone and it has nothing to do with the conversation, right? ADHD in relationships often looks like missed details, forgetfulness, or feeling overwhelmed by too many things happening all at one time. It can feel like you're constantly juggling and not always in sync with your partner. Sometimes you could be having an intensive conversation and you may misconstrue the words and react impulsively without having thought through some of the things that you should think through before you respond. And then you then said something or did something that can tick your partner off. And really, if you really had taken time to think about it, it would not have gone that way. This can create miscommunications or even hurt feelings, especially when impulsivity takes over. Y'all, it can be so detrimental if you don't gain control of it. Maybe you interrupt, maybe you forget an important date or respond without thinking, and that can really strain any relationship, right? And that can be unfortunate. But here's the thing, it does not, ADHD does not have to define you or your relationship. With mindfulness, body scanning, and impulse control, controlling your impulses, being in control of yourself, working on being cognizant of your impulses, and creating a space where you respond appropriately and not react, that can be so beneficial. It's about slowing down and checking in with yourself before you act or speak. What I like to use is the acronym STOP, STOP, stop. The S is for stop. If ever you feel like you're becoming overwhelmed, you're something's going on and it seems like there's a lot coming at you at one time, I want you to stop. I want you to think. I want you to really think. Think about what you're feeling. Observe is the O. Observe what's happening around you. Observe your partner. Observe just what's happening around you. Is there a lot of noise? Is he or she talking at you, or are you perceiving them to talk at you? And then the P is, I want you to proceed appropriately and proceed with mindfulness, body scanning. If your emotions are heightened, I want you to calm yourself and do some deep breaths. Take some deep breaths. Deep breath in of 4 count and out of 4 count through your mouth. And it looks like this. Deep breath in, breathe out. Deep breath in, breathe out. Make sure you're breathing through your nose. You will notice that your body starts to relax and your senses are no longer heightened. Mindfulness helps you to tune into your body, recognize when you're overwhelmed, and pause before reacting. It's like hitting the reset button, giving yourself a moment to respond thoughtfully. Sometimes you need more time to process your feelings and your thoughts, and you don't necessarily have to respond to that situation. You can say, you know what? I'm going to take a minute. Let me take some time to process this before I respond. By practicing these tools, breathing, body awareness, and impulse control, you can manage ADHD in relationships and show up more fully for your partner. It definitely takes work, but it is possible. It definitely takes work, but it is possible. Relationships are a two-way street. With awareness, standing, and patience, you can build stronger connections even while navigating ADHD. Mindfulness plus impulse control equals stronger relationship. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. And if you need more pointers, you can definitely comment below. let me know. You can DM me, and you can also email us at admin@givinghope.llc.org. We are also providing an executive functioning tool that is helpful for you. And be on the lookout for our I Feel in Color app, where we are helping you to work through these emotions, process these emotions, and understand it. Make sure y'all hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and share this with your family and friends. Thank you. Be blessed and continue to be a blessing.